Now, let's go straight to the point. You were confronted with this prescription, and then you were asked to calculate as a nurse. What will you do? In most cases, nursing students, we don't really like we don't really like calculation. That's the truth of the matter. We don't like calculation. So let's just go straight to the point and solve this. After this, you're going to solve another one. This period of time, we should be dealing with a lot of calculations because when you go to the hospital, you have a lot of calculations to do. So let's go. The question said, administer 1,000 mil over 8 hours using a 20 a 20 drop per mil set. This GTT means, I think, is a Latin word, something like that. It means drop. This is drop per mil set. Now calculate the drop per minute. So drop in minutes. And now I have given the formula here. The formula is very simple. Total volume, which is a mil, total volume, which is a mil, times drop factor, which is GTTH slash mil, all over total time. In most cases, you have a minute. I know this is where we normally get it very, very confusing for student nurses who doesn't love calculation, but we must do calculation. But this one is very, very simple. Now let's go. He said administer 1,000 mil. Now look at this formula. It's a total volume in mil. Anytime you see a question like this, administer 1,000 mil over 8 hours. When you hear over, the word over, you're going to divide. So let's say you have 1,000 over. This is what you should be expecting, right? It's just an instance that I'm trying to give. Is what you're going to be expecting. So over 8 hours using 20, what you're simply going to do is total volume, which is this. You have 1,000, right? Mil times drop factor, which is this, and you have this times 20, right? Times 20, we have this all over. What do we have? 8 hours. Now, there is something you need to understand. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So when they say calculate the drop in minutes, it means you're going to convert this hour to minutes. So what you simply do is 8 times 60. 8 times 60. Now when you do 8 times 60, is going to give you something like 480. So here now you have which is equal to 1,000 times 20 all over 480. Now you have mil here. You're cancelling mil. We're not looking for mil. We're looking for it in minutes. You'll cancel this one, right? Are you with me? You cancel it. Now when you multiply this, that is your final answer. So to multiply this, your final answer is just going to be 41.6. That is your answer in minutes. In minutes. So you have GT. That is what you're going to have.